Alright, well, it landed on A anyway, so... We're not doing Monza. Trust me, we're not doing Monza. We're gonna do, a tiny track. Alright, so, again, we're doing the same thing. Bottom to top. So, Spooled, your first car. It's... Okay, it's a
Auto
DLC car,
Union
but
Type D.
I'm asking if you have it. It's the... Do you have the 911 Sport Classic? You do? Okay, that's your car. Race
watch me get a
Tail.
goddamn eye
Yours
setter.
is a Porsche Cayenne, the SUV. The SUV.
No, they're different.
I hope I don't have that.
A. Master Duck, your car is.
What is mine?
Drum roll. It's the freaking EV Hummer thing. The extreme.
I don't have that.
E. You
I
don't
don't-
have
go
that?
buy the
There's one in the
Barbie.
auto show. There's one in the
Go
auto
buy the
show.
Barbie one.
Those
Yeah.
off-road EV things.
The Hummer. The Hummer.
They're in the auto show. They're 700K.
7.
All right,
Give me a
fine.
different
Fine.
car.
I'll re-roll for you. You get
Nah, he's
the
gonna get the
Xpeng
Barbie one now.
P7.
He's
got a
still
what?
got an electric. He's still got an electric car. The Xpeng, bro. Yeah, it's
No,
the Chinese.
It's 60K.
He's got a Chinese
It's electric.
car. It's the bar of soap.
Okay, so that's your car. Sorry, Kind Red. It's seven. It's
No,
in, it's in
caps
the
are
auto show. It's in the auto show. It's only
1.873.
60K. Oh, yeah. It's not
Oh,
in
mine's
the thing. It's
873.
one of the auto show cars. It's at the very end of the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is
Oh.
it?
It's not
It's
it
not the
looks like
Chinese cube.
it looks
a-
like a bar of soap. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like a bar of soap.
All right,
Make
Tank.
it white.
No, Kind Red. You get the Twerk Stallion. The Twerk Stallion.
The hoonigan drift car. The hoonigan drift car.
Hoonigan.
It's the RX-7.
Oh, do you
The
own it?
RX-7.
Do you have that or no?
It pushes 600 horsepower stock.
Okay. Here, I'll re-roll for you.
You're telling me.
Yeah.
I'll
it's
re-roll.
still
All right,
drifting.
that's a DLC car.
Wait a dang second.
What car was it? What car was it?
What car
It
do
was the
I?
Lexus. It was the
The
Lexus.
minigun
It was the
EV
Lexus.
EV
Oh, the
Marco?
RCS.
No.
I'll take it. The Lexus RCS.
All right, you'll take it.
that
So instead,
track one.
Kind Red, you get the Porsche Panamera. From...
Yeah, the RCF
Yeah.
track edition was it?
What? Wait, I'm confused. Okay, know what? We're redoing. We're starting
which
again. I'm
Lexus
confused.
I don't know
Which
what I got.
Lexus
I
was it,
forgot.
Tristan?
Everyone shut up. We're gonna redo this. We're redoing this because everything went wrong. Alright. Alright, Spooled, you can keep your Porsche. Racetail, you get low car.
What?
You get low car.
Low
The Nissan.
car?
The
It's a
Nissan.
Nissan 350Z.
The donut
So
media.
you just get a 350Z.
Nissan.
Yeah, it's unless if you already own the car, then just get a
Right,
350Z
what you gotta
and upgrade
do
it.
is you gotta chuck that junkyard 6-liter V8 into it, and just sorted.
Alright, Master Duck, you get do you own this? Sorry, it's the Lincoln Co. race car thing.
What Nissan do
The
I get again?
The full race car one.
What Nissan is it again?
It's
What
the
you
low
You
car.
did not get it. Oh, 350Z.
Or
Nissan.
350
The
or the
Lincoln
low
Co.
car.
Yeah, it's the freaking race car. You have it, or I guess you don't have it. All right.
The race car,
You
the
probably don't.
R3090?
No, it's not the
No, it's
R390.
350Z. It's in the auto show.
Oh,
Two,
37.
just
All right, so Darth, you can have the
350.
frickin' race car because obviously it's front wheel drive, so there's not much you can really do with that. Kind Red,
Now, watch him win now. Watch him win.
Master Duck. Wait, yeah, Master Duck. You get Is this nah? That's not festival playlist car.
What car was the
No,
playlist
instead
car?
you're using a Janetta. Wait, no.
Janetta?
Never mind. It's not it's not available in the
If I
game.
can
Never
get an
mind.
F40, that'd be great.
You get the freaking Morris Forza Edition car. The freaking minor one. What?
The Morris
The freaking
Minor
Morris.
Forza edition.
Yeah,
The
it's
Morris Minor Forza edition.
it's the slowest car in the game's fastest version.
It's quite
You
quick.
can use the stock version and just upgrade that if you have to.
The Morris Minor 1000. Got Michelin tires for good years. Morris Minor
Morris-
1000 Forza edition. You don't have it.
Dang it! I'll re-roll for you. I'll re-roll.
Upgrade
for
the
you.
normal one.
You get the. Why? Why does it keep on giving me ones that are like hard to get here?
What was it? What was it?
It was a freaking. It was crap. I already forgot. Womp womp.
Ah. Alright, pounce on
So this is another one that's a festival playlist car. It's the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing.
I do.
Master Duck, you have it. No, Tank, you can have the thing since it was you that said that, right?
Oh, I didn't say I wanted it. I said I had it. I
No,
said I
didn't-
didn't want it.
Okay, fine. Another reroll for freaking Master Duck.
I don't
You
want
get you get an Extreme Eve thing. Sorry, bro.
Extreme E. Nah. Go buy it. Go
I can't
buy
find
it.
my car. I can't even find my car.
Alright, fine. You get the freaking Rockstar trophy truck.
At least
Just go
look,
with
you've
it,
got a
Master.
race
Just
car.
go.
You've got. It's the Polaris, ain't it? No.
Do I get a
what is it?
different one?
No, it's the F-150 Rockstar trophy truck.
RJ Anderson. It's the RJ Anderson, ain't it? It's the RJ Anderson, ain't it?
Fine, you can have the Miata, but you gotta put rally tires on it. Alright,
drive the-
Kind
can I drive
Red,
the
Kind
Skyline
Red, you
GT?
get... Oh, we're back to the normal car. Wait, what? Okay, you got a BMW M2 from 2023, which is in a festival playlist, so you probably don't have it. Alright, you
Just
can
use
get
an
a
older
reroll
M2.
instead.
Just get an old M2.
And you get the BMW 1M.
M1.
Yeah.
You sure you?
No,
Are you sure you
it's-
mean
No, it's
M1?
literally called the BMW 1M.
1M?
It's 2011. 2011.
2011? Oh, the 1
Alright.
Series.
Yeah, the one that other guy had. A few of
The
you.
1
were-
Series M Coupe.
Yeah, yeah. Tank, you get a. Okay, do you have the Hot Wheels thing? That's the only question I
Yes.
have for you. Okay, so you get the freaking Diora too. Diora, you get the
No!
Diora.
I get the surfboard car?
Darth,
I get the
please.
surfboard
Let's see what you get. Darth, you get a. Oh, you already took the Lincoln Co. Well, so that means I get a 2005 Ford GT. All right.
Hey, at least I get 760 horsepower.
All right, everyone, upgrade your cars to the top of A class.
I
Unless if
can't.
you can't, like the person that's in
can't.
rally tires.
You can't
I'm still
upgrade the
trying to find
Diora.
mine.
Me neither.
Oh,
I'm trying
okay,
to find
then,
a way to
womp
upgrade this
womp.
thing. Might put drag slicks
mean-
on. I might put drags on this thing.
Do I own this car? I hope I own this car.
Yes. I'm still trying to
think you're
find
gonna
my
have a-
car.
I can't do anything to this.
Oh, I
car.
don't own it.
Ew. I can upgrade a flywheel.
Dang, I'm gonna have to re-roll. I
I
don't
can
even own
upgrade
the
the
car that I got.
flywheel. Same. Oh, wait,
All
I don't even know
right.
where my
Oh
car is.
no,
all I can do
I got
is
the
upgrade the
aerial
flywheel.
nomad.
The Nomad?
I got the aerial buggy. I got the aerial buggy.
Now watch him. I'm gonna just rock the stock paint job on this thing because it's already got quite a good paint job. I could upgrade two things. Differential flywheel.
That's great. No, so what, you want to be without
That's like 2.2 grand upgrades.
No, it's not.
I could get all this.
I mean, I can have a rally car, I can have a rally car, oh, I can't get it. Oh no, this car's gonna suck. Probably, I mean, I think a rally race, I'm not saying a rally race.
I need to take this. Oh, I have to do this. I think. The right Diora. That's of course the time is here.
Oh, no.
I can get
If you want to let me know. You know what? Yeah, you can just talk, go ahead. It's separate pages. We don't talk. We need to get one stop.
I've got the best paint
You
job.
know what? You can make a rally race.
I just found
You're
supercharged,
actually
though.
going stock engine, bro. You're not even gonna be in
Why
A
is this thing
class.
kind of quick though? Why is the Diora kind of quick?
I'm kind of aware that this car's gonna absolutely.
No, it can
suck,
turn
you know?
though as well.
My car's gonna suck,
The
bro.
Diora turns.
And just go over to the meet up at the festival again,
I'm
and
taking
I really
corners
don't know
at
what track I'm gonna do
120,
because
30.
I am in a rally buggy.
I'm lucky I could just bully people out of the way.
I wonder, will rear-wheel,
Because of
will
how
all-wheel
big
drive
this
bring
thing
my...
is. The
Yeah,
only
I
thing
know.
I'll struggle to bully out the way is the goddamn Who else is in a
What did
big
I
car?
do, BMW?
I know there's
Okay,
someone else
so
in a big car.
no
Who
all-wheel
is it?
drive. Actually, I can just do this.
One BMW.
Oh wait, no, never mind. Yeah,
No, just do the rally tires, bro. Just do the rally tires. We're doing a rally race. You'll be fine. We're doing a rally race, everyone. We're doing a rally race.
Oh really?
Yep, rally.
Are we really doing a rally race? Oh man,
Why did
why's it
Spool
gonna be a
Turbo
rally
leave?
race? Yeah.
My car.
I'll still probably rock the upgrades I've got on this thing anyway.
I feel bad for Dorf, bro. It's gonna be in the race car when. Which one? Rally racing. I don't know which one to do. I'm probably rally racing.
Yeah, which one? Because it's very
We're gonna
important.
do the mountain.
So is that rally or road? Rally or road?
No, going down the mountain.
Is it rally or road? Which side?
Rally. That's the rally one.
We're going down a mountain?
We're going down the volcano.
I'm pushing 900 horsepower.
Gee.
I am scared.
It's become standard in 760.
I'm scared of
Yeah,
going
head
That's
start.
less than 200 horsepower.
I'm in a Hot Wheels car.
Oh, that's so fast. Roll off the line.
Kindred, watch the pace, watch the pace. Look at them.
Wait, I should drag race Miata. We're drag racing Miata. You
I've got
cap out at
surfboards, screw you.
116. I think we know who's winning, guys. It's obviously him. He's winning this one.
Who's in the GTR? Race, why are you in a GTR?
You got a 350Z.
I was looking for. I did not find that thing under the Nissan class.
It's called
You
the
could
Fair
find...
Lady
Oh,
Z.
here, take my car. I'll go take your 350Z. I'll take your... Take the Aerial Nomad. It's so easy to find, and I'll take the 350. Thank you.
You better not pick an Aero Atom.
No, it's a good off-road car. It's literally
You
made
were
to
in the
go
buggy.
off-road. It's made to go off-road.
You were in the dune buggy.
Yes.
My
Nah, if you're driving
No
in
head start
first
for you.
person and you look behind you, all you're gonna see.
No, you get 1 second head start. It's on 1 second. All right. So, are you gonna find the 350Z or am I gonna take it? If you can't find it, I'm taking it and I'm gonna use that instead. No, wait, no. I actually have low car, so I'll just use low car.
Oh, so you said it's a Nissan, right?
I'm keeping the engine. I'm keeping the Russell engine here.
And what is the car?
Bro, put tires down, raise my car, so I'm gonna be able to like all the power. 28, bro, you're winning this by a mile, bro.
Which one is it? Which Nissan is it? Most of them are GTRs.
Alright, thanks for keeping your R34. I'm taking low car.
I'm still trying to find the R34.
How'd you lose your own car?
I don't know. I
Why
know.
just want to hear?
I just don't play the game a lot more.
Wow.
What
bro.
is this?
Alright, is everyone ready? Is everyone ready,
$250,000.
including the world's fastest Miata? Alright, let me check. Is everyone out here? No. We still need, so, no, everyone is out here. It's just that, the Miata is way underclass. Yeah, it says B684. Yeah, upgrade your engine. he wants the 4 second. He wants that 4 second hardcore, bro. Is everyone here though? Is everyone ready? Alright, I'll go fast travel over here and set up the event. Alright, so, to make sure it's super fair for, the Miata, I'm gonna put it in the middle of a tropical storm. Season, current season, yep. Don't mind the tropical storm, guys. Don't mind the tropical storm. Raise tail!
This Doom buggy's an S1.
Alright, raise tail, you stop on the track and wait 10 seconds.
How is this Doom buggy in S1? This does not make sense.
That's not even the car I told you to get in!
I couldn't find it. I panicked.
It's 93K! Alright, so the Mazda's starting it first. Alright, everyone wait 4 seconds and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, alright, let's go.
6, 7, 8,
Leave race tail. Leave race tail.
Well, crap.
Oh no! I'm around.
There I go.
What do you mean? This is perfect weapon. What's wrong? What's wrong with the tropical storm? No, you got screwed over. Having a rough fucking engine in my home. What are you doing? You pushed me off, bro. Kindred, what is your problem? Why? You put me in last. No, I'm not last. Because I got pushed out of a checkpoint. Kind red, he's not kind at all. Quiet. Look how quiet. ASMR. Go, you hunk of trash, go! Seconds to spare. I got shoved out of a checkpoint by freaking who shoved me out of the checkpoint? Let me see. Kind Red, thank you so much for shoving me out of a checkpoint and making me get beat by a Miata that was a whole class of. Alright, we're gonna do one more, then I'm done for tonight. Bro, I gotta be up at 3:30 in the morning and it's 10:47 right now.